Curious about what body parts attract potential dates? A 2017 study reveals that nearly 46% of men primarily notice faces, while 11% check out butts and hair. Legs catch attention of 9%, and only 8% are drawn to breast. On the women's side, 24% find chest and pecs most appealing, with 22% looking at hair first, followed by arms, 19%, and abs, 13%. Interestingly, only 2% of women prioritize faces, and 3% focus on eyes. While physical attraction plays a role in short-term relationships, lasting connections depend more on personality and inner beauty. Embrace your unique features and prioritize your well-being by engaging in healthful activities for yourself, not to meet others' standards. Remember, attraction is subjective, and confidence can be a significant draw. So focus on what makes you feel good and happy.